Good evening, you're watching a special edition of The Big Story. I'm Haryanto Diman coming to you live from the Straits Times newsroom. News just in, the Health Ministry confirmed 334 new Covid-19 cases as of noon today. This brings the total number of cases here to 3,252. Of these new cases, 212 are linked to known clusters and cases, and 122 remain as yet unlinked. Meanwhile, Minister for National Development and co-chair of the Multi-Ministerial Task Force, Lawrence Wong, said that it will now be mandatory for everyone to wear masks when they go out. Those caught without masks in public spaces will face the same penalties as those who fail to comply with safe distancing measures.
So we will now take a further step and make it mandatory for everyone to wear masks when they go out. There will be some exceptions or exemptions to this rule. For example, for very young children, those below the age of 2, the medical experts recommend not to wear masks because of child safety, so that group will be exempted. For those who are engaging in strenuous exercise, like running or jogging, then you can remove the mask when you are engaging in strenuous exercise, but after that you have to put the mask on. And when you are engaging in running or jogging, then make sure that you are maintaining a safe distance between yourself and others. Other than these exceptions, everyone else going out will have to wear a mask. And we will enforce this rule too, like all the other safe distancing and circuit breaker measures that we have put in place.
While there have been precautions taken at all foreign worker dormitories since the COVID-19 outbreak, Minister for Manpower Josephine Teo clarified why there has been a spike in the number of cases among workers in dorms.
The question, of course, is why then has there been such a spread amongst the workers staying in the dormitories? From the epidemiological findings, there is evidence to link the workers in the dormitories to common work sites. Then, the workers from the different dormitories on their rest days may also gather. And so they may socialize and shop at popular places like Mustafa. Now, back in the dorms, these workers would then socialize with another group of friends. They might, cook together, eat together, relax together. So despite the safe distancing measures that were in place then in these dormitories, the virus in the dorms spread through socializing activities, much like it would spread amongst housemates, friends, and also in the community. This may explain why, all the way up to middle of March, the workers who lived in dorms that tested positive for COVID-19 were few and far between. But then, in quick succession, in some dormitories, not all, in some dormitories, many popped up.
Mrs. Teo also outlined a three-pronged strategy to contain the spread at the dormitories. First, dorms with clusters are locked down and workers are staying in their rooms as much as possible while reducing social interactions. Second, dorms which do not have clusters will observe the same safe distancing measures. Third, workers in essential services have been moved out to separate facilities after screening. These workers are also required to adhere to the stricter safe distancing measures when travelling to their workplaces and at their workplaces. For more on the COVID-19 updates in Singapore, do log on to www.straitstimes.com. For the full press conference, you can watch it on the Straits Times YouTube channel. Once again, I'm Haryanto Diman. Stay safe and have a good evening.